If you love math, then you need to hear this. Math is often seen as a realm of absolute truths and unchanging principles. But what if I told you that even in this world of certainties, there are ideas that can shake the very foundation of what we believe to be true? What if I told you that 1x1 might not equal 1? Yes, you heard that right. This simple equation, which we've all accepted without question, might not be as straightforward as it seems. You see, to multiply means to make many or manifold. It's about increasing, expanding, and growing. Multiplication is fundamentally about creating more from what you have. It means to increase in number or quantity. When we multiply, we expect the result to be greater than the original numbers involved. It's an operation of growth. So if something isn't increasing, is it really multiplication? This is where the traditional understanding of 1x1 comes into question. If multiplying is about making more, then how can 1x1 still be 1? Think about it. 1x1 equals sign 1 doesn't satisfy the definition of multiplication because nothing's increasing. It's like a paradox within the very fabric of arithmetic. It's like saying to be or not to be is math. It's more philosophy than arithmetic. This equation challenges us to think beyond the numbers and question the principles we've always taken for granted. But before you throw your calculators at me, let's dive deeper. Let's explore the very laws that govern multiplication and see if they can shed some light on this conundrum. Multiplication operates under two main laws, the commutative law and the associative law. These laws are the bedrock of how we understand and perform multiplication. These laws mean that when you multiply, you're essentially adding a number to itself multiple times. The commutative law tells us that the order in which we multiply numbers doesn't matter, while the associative law tells us that the way in which numbers are grouped in multiplication doesn't affect the result. So by these laws, we should interpret 1x1 as adding 1 to itself exactly one time. This interpretation aligns with the fundamental principles of multiplication, which technically should give us 2. Mind blown, right? This simple shift in perspective can completely alter our understanding of basic arithmetic. I know, this sounds like mathematical heresy. It goes against everything we've been taught since elementary school. But sometimes, the most profound truths come from questioning the simplest concepts. But sometimes, challenging the norm is how we find new truths. It's through questioning and re-examining our beliefs that we make progress and discover new insights. Maybe it's time we re-examine our basic assumptions. Maybe the way we've been taught to understand multiplication needs a fresh perspective. So what do you think? Is it time to rewrite the multiplication table? Or am I just crazy? Could this be the beginning of a new mathematical revolution or just a fun thought experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get this math debate started. Your insights and perspectives could be the key to unlocking a new understanding of multiplication. Thanks for watching, and remember, never stop questioning. It's through curiosity and inquiry that we continue to learn and grow. Until next time, keep challenging the norms and exploring the unknown.